Hello students, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss a problem from microsporogenesis which is asked in various examinations. The question is, if two microspore mother cells MMC are present in a pollen sac, then how many male gametes will be produced in a mustard flower? As per question, we have information about number of microspore mother cells MMC in a pollen sac is equal to 2. Then what we need to find? We need to find number of male gametes produced from 2 microspore mother cells in a pollen sac, number of male gametes produced in a mustard flower. These two concepts we need to find from this question. Step 1. Each microspore mother cell is diploid and undergo meiosis division to produce 4 haploid pollen grains. During pollen germination, each pollen grain produces 2 male gametes from generative cell. So in question, the given number of microspore mother cells are 2. Number of pollen grains produced in a pollen sac is equal to, so each pollen sac consists 2 microspore mother cells. 2 into each microspore mother cell produce 4 pollen grains. 2 into 4, 8. So number of pollen grains produced in a pollen sac is equal to 8. Number of male gametes produced from a pollen sac. Each pollen sac produce 2 male gametes or male nuclei. So 8 pollen grains into 2 male gametes is equal to 16 male gametes produced from 2 microspore mother cells in a pollen sac. Till now, we find a number of male gametes from 2 microspore mother cells of a pollen grain. That is, 16 male gametes are produced. Now, in step 2, we need to apply number of male gametes produced from 2 microspore mother cells in a pollen sac to know the number of male gametes produced in a mustard flower. Let's know about mustard plant. Mustard plant belongs to the family Brassicaceae and its scientific name is Brassica nigra or maybe Brassica alba. Mustard flower consists 6 stamens. Each stamen consists dithecous anther and a filament. Each dithecous anther has 2 lobes and each lobe consists 2 pollen sacs. Number of pollen sacs in each anther. So each lobe consists 2 pollen sacs and each anther consists 2 lobes. 2 into 2, total 4 pollen sacs are present in an anther. Total number of pollen sacs in a mustard flower. So mustard flower has 6 anthers. 6 into 4 pollen sacs. Total 24 pollen sacs are present in a mustard flower. Therefore, the number of male gametes produced in a mustard flower is equal to number of pollen sacs in a mustard flower into number of male gametes produced in a pollen sac. So number of pollen sacs in a mustard flower is equal to 24 into number of male gametes produced in a pollen sac 16. So 24 into 16. The total number of male gametes from a single mustard flower is equal to 384 male gametes. Let's see the brief description of this question. Pollen sac consists two microspore mother cells. Each microspore mother cell consists 4 pollen grains. Each pollen grain produces 2 male gametes. Then total number of male gametes from a pollen sac is equal to 2 microspore mother cells into 4 pollen grains into 2 male gametes. It is equal to 16 male gametes produced from 2 microspore mother cells of a single pollen sac. Let's apply on mustard flower. Each mustard flower consists 6 stamens or anthers. Each anther consists 2 anther lobes. Each anther lobe consists 2 pollen sacs. Each pollen sac consists 2 microspore mother cells. Each microspore mother cell produces 4 pollen grains. Each pollen grain produces 2 male gametes. Therefore, 6 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 4 into 2, that is equal to 384 male gametes produced from a single mustard flower. Thank you. We will meet again in the next part.